everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For today's video I have got a gel polish collection to show you. It's from a brand called SANNE or SANNE. I'm not quite 100% sure how their brand name is pronounced. I've never actually heard of this brand up until now, but I am super excited to try out their products. Here with me I have got their Refreshing Summer collection. This is a 23-piece collection. It has 20 colour gels and also has a base coat, a glossy top coat and a matte top coat. This kit has been sent to me for review, but all opinions will be my own and I'll always give you my honest thoughts. It looks like a really beautiful collection though. The packaging is absolutely stunning. They look like good sized bottles, they look like nice bottles. There's a fantastic range of colours. So what I'm going to be doing today is going to be doing a swatch of all the colours. We're going to see how they look glossy, we're going to see how they look matte, and yeah, just generally see how they are. So I'm going to dive into the video, but before I do, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that little bell so you get notifications every time I upload. And other than that, let's get started. Okay, so in this collection we have got an application guide of how to use the gel polish. We have got some little tips on how to keep the gel polish long lasting and also how to remove it. On the back we have got an FAQ that just sort of answers some of like the most common questions, and then just some more little tips. So we always appreciate that in a gel polish kit, especially for beginners, just sort of help them out with little tips and tricks that they may need to know. I've also been given a VIP card thing which contains their website, their Facebook page and their contact email address. So this kit is available on Amazon.com for $19.99. It's really affordable for what you get. Like I said, you get 20 colours, you get a base coat, a glossy top coat and a matte top coat. On the box it does state that they are low smell, they're toxin free gels, no harm to skin, easy coloured and long lasting, which we love. These are the base coat, so the base coat, the no cleanse top gel and a matte top gel. The bottles are plastic bottles. On the back of the bottles it does say "You're beautiful with a SANNE beauty secret." It sort of says the cautionary bits and the ingredients, which we really like. I hate it when companies don't list their ingredients, so I'm really happy to see that they have. And then this is what the colour gels look like. So they're pretty much the same bottles, apart from we have a silver label here. They have got a little colour sticker on top with the number, which I really appreciate because I much prefer a bottle that has the colour on it with the number, just so it's easier to see what sort of colour you're looking for. All the bottles are 10ml bottles or 0.34 ounces. They look pretty good. So yeah, I'm very excited to swatch them, so that's what I'm going to crack on and do. So I'm going to start off first by trying out their base coat. Good consistency, I love that. And I'm just going to give my swatch stick a layer of base coat. Really nice thin base coat, which I love. This is what the brush in the bottle looks like. I like these ones because they're not too wide. They're nice and easy to work with. I don't like the sort of brushes that hold a lot of product and are really wide. But yeah, these nice little brushes, nice comfortable handles and everything. So yeah, happy with them. Okay, so I'm going to go through, I'm going to swatch each and every colour. I'm not going to sit here and talk through the whole lot because we'll be here forever if I do that. So I'm just going to whack on some music and speed through swatch all the colours. And then I'll get back to you afterwards and we'll see what the two top coats are like. So far so good. The formula of that is really thin, it's not too thick, which again I like. I'm just not a fan of the really thick gels. I prefer them to be like not too runny but like a good in between, and these definitely feel like a good in between. For one coat that looks like really good coverage. So I'm going to whack that underneath the lamp for 30 seconds, I'm going to see how it cures, I'm going to swatch all these other colours, and like I said, I will be back to you at the end. Okay, so now that I have swatched all the colours, I've done an extra coat of colour on each. I'm now going to go in and try the top coats. So that's the glossy, that seems like a really good consistency again. The matte top coat seems about the same. So I'm going to do half and half on all the swatch sticks of each colour so we can see what they look like glossy and matte. And then I'll be right back. So far I'm pretty impressed. I'm really excited to see what the matte top coat's like. But yeah, so far for such an affordable kit, I think it's pretty good. But yeah, I'll get back to you after I've done this and show you all the colours. Okay, so that is all the swatches done. I've given them all 2 coats. Some of them could probably do with a 3rd coat as they're not quite as opaque as the others. But overall, I'm pretty happy with these. The glossy top coat is really nice, got a beautiful sheen to it. That matte top coat is pretty damn impressive as well, so I'm really happy with that. But I'm just going to flick through and show you all the colours. I think there's a super cute selection. I really like the red actually, that is really pigmented and really nice. We've got just a great little section of colours. That silver's really nice. Absolutely love the red. And then there's sort of like magenta pink sort of colour as well. They're really beautiful. As you can see, we've kind of got like the lighter colours, we've got the darker colours, quite a few different sort of blue tones in this one. That green could definitely do with a 3rd coat. It is a little bit sheer, but it's an absolutely beautiful colour. We've got the liquid gold, absolutely love that. Got the purple, again, I could have done with probably 3 coats. But it's partially my swatch sticks. I don't know what it is with these swatch sticks. I've used these swatch sticks for a couple of different gel polish sets now that I've been reviewing. And like the apex area of the swatch stick doesn't seem to like to hold any product. It's really weird. Never experienced that before. The black really surprised me actually. I was very impressed with the amount of pigment for 1 coat. With the black, actually a really nice black. And then finally we've got this sort of sparkly blue. This would look really nice. Like I always see glitter ones as more like a glitter topper. But you sort of put like the glitter over the blue and it'd look really beautiful. I'll just show you, for example, you can put that over there and have a gorgeous blue. That's really nice and opaque. But yeah, overall I'm really happy with them. I actually do think they're pretty good, especially for the price. Like I said, they're available on Amazon.com for $19.99, so that works out less than $1 per bottle. I'm not sure if they're on Amazon UK just yet, but I will link them where I can in my description box anyway, and I'll also give you a discount code in my description box if you decide you'd like to purchase these yourself. But yeah, I don't really have any complaints. Like I said, like some of the colours do need 3 coats, most of them need 2, but they are really nice. They have got a few different kits with a different variety of colours, so plenty to pick from, and yeah, I definitely would recommend them. So thank you so much to Zine for sending me these for a review, and I hope everyone has enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please remember to like, subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified every time I upload. And other than that, much love to you all, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye!